Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to show numbers row in keyboard of our tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the typing interface and see the keyboard. Here only letters are showing, numbers are not showing. If you would like to use numbers, you have to click here, then only you can see the numbers and type. Okay, suppose if you would like to show the numbers in the letters itself, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your tablet here, then go to system here, then go to languages and input and click on screen keyboard. Here select Gboard and now click on preferences and here see number row. Just turn on this button so that number row will be added to the main keyboard. Go to the typing interface and see here above letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. All numbers are showing. So here itself you can type numbers. Okay, so in this way you can easily bring numbers in the main keyboard of your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.